How do you feel? How do you feel? You're in Wuxi. You're in Wuxi. So this, they come off, they collapse. Oh, let's see. Look, Lucas, how they work. Lucas, look at the barrier, how they work. This belts. Look, they're closing the door. Look at the barrier, Lucas. Once the train is gone, the barrier will come down. Lucas, say bye-bye to the lady, look. Wow. Lucas, stay. Stay. Lucas! Stay back. Stay back. Look at this barrier. It's going to come down. Right, let's go. Wuxi! Can you see the Wuxi? Okay, stay here. I want to take a photo. Wuxi. Lucas. Wuxi Station. Lucas, look at this. Look at the train. Stay out. Seven 156. Look at the front. Cool. Stay behind. Look at this, right? Look at this will come up. Not here? Here, look. Look, the barrier is coming up. Wow. Cool. Let's go. You saw new technology. Safety barrier. Cool, man. Bye-bye. We have to exit. You use the passport. Huh? Wuxi coach station. Basement parking. Wow, what a... Toilets. Metro line. Let's take the metro.
And the H hotel there.
Let's take the... Oh, e-hailing. E-hailing. Look at this. Look at outside, man. Look at outside.
Oh, ho, ho.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Lucas, get up. Look at this. Wow. Look at this.
Wow!
Beautiful. China is on another world, man.
They're still doing things like before, no?
Yeah. Beautiful. Are you not observing? You got McDonald's, that's terrible. You got Coca-Cola, terrible. Wuxi Temple, hey, how are you? We're going to see this Buddha tomorrow, Lucas. Wow, look at all these foods. And McDonald's, look, Big M everywhere. Big M. And the Starbucks. Oh, there's ice cream. Be natural. Look at this. It's a train station. Looks beautiful. Look at this food. Best stores. And then amongst all of this, you've got coach, bus. We want the metro, right? Metro station. And it's a McDonald's there.